Hi, I'm Rustin Ledke, Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Kato Cable. We provide custom cable assemblies for a variety of medical solutions, including diagnostic, monitoring, and surgical products. Our innovative processes and technologies give customers customizable, efficient solutions. Cables and wires for medical devices are part artistry, such as overmolding and custom cables, and part science, including ISO 9001 standards and complex assemblies. Kato Cable delivers industry-leading on-time delivery and quality ratings. Our engineering department can also review existing designs, assist with a partial concept, or complete the full design of your medical cable. Have a unique challenge with your medical cables? We want to talk. To schedule a free consultation or to visit our world-class facility, please reach out to your Kato Cable sales team.